giving back in a way that you can give somebody a chance to see what it really feels like in a real world working restaurant is, I think, an invaluable experience.
The Culinary Clash, it's amazing. It's a program where, you know, these kids get to come in, actually work at a restaurant, super hands-on.
My name is Joshua Roberts.
My name is Tian Yu.
My name's Cassandra Tran.
My name is Gananat Ladariapakin.
How you doing? I'm Rashawn Chapman.
My name is Alexander Lee.
It's such an incredibly prideful moment when we were sitting out there and watching the food come out. It's fantastic.
There's 3 different teams, and all of them did very well. All of them were highly motivated, and I think whatever they do, they will do well in the future.
Taste, presentation, creativity, and there was also a reflection of Luce.
I think it's an amazing experience, and I think they're going to remember it for a long time.